Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the unexpected keyword argument that you might be experiencing on your checkout page on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this home page. From this main page, we can get started with logging in. So in the upper right corner, you're going to have the login option. If you do not already have an account, you can go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page from where we can access the editor in the upper left corner and get started with accessing your configuration, site settings, and so on. So let's go and see how to fix this problem right here, the unexpected keyword argument sale order ID that you might be getting when trying to go to the checkout page. Here we have an article on GitHub of somebody who had the same issue with Odoo, and see here an answer by somebody with a similar problem who managed to fix it. So somebody already experienced the same error, but on an estimate that is not confirmed only when they click on the preview. So once the estimate is confirmed, the preview is going to work. So what you want to do is make sure to confirm the estimate before running your code. So if you need any more help regarding this problem, what you want to do is go to GitHub and post your same problem. Somebody is going to go and help you out. So you can just update the Docker image and the problems are going to be fixed. So if you need any more help, I suggest posting your problem and somebody with more knowledge is going to help you. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.